Eighth question. The ratio of the present ages of Rehana and her mother is 2:7. After 2 years, the ratio of the ages will be 1:3. What is Rehana's present age? As I told you earlier, whenever they give a ratio in the beginning, we write that statement and then say there must be a common multiple and consider the multiple as some variable, and then multiply each of these parts of this ratio with that variable and find out the ages of each of them, that is Rehana's age and the mother's age. So let us see how we proceed. The ratio of the present ages of Rehana and her mother is equal to, they have given 2:7. So we write here 2:7. Therefore, there must be a common multiple. Next step, let the multiple be, okay, let us take by this time. So let the multiple be by. Therefore, Rehana's present age will be 2 into y and the mother's present age will be 7 into y. So Rehana's present age will be 2 into y, which is 2y, and her mother's present age will be 7 into y, which is 7y. Now after 2 years, as we did in the previous question, we said if today your age is 14, after 2 years it will be 14 plus 2, which is 16. So after 2 years, Rehana's age will be, today it is 2y. After 2 years it will be 2y plus 2. And the mother's age, the mother's present age is 7y. After 2 years it will be 7y plus 2. Now, what is the condition given there? After 2 years, the ratio of the ages becomes 1:3. So, we can write it as 1/3. And also, we know what are the ages of Rehana and her mother after 2 years. So, we can write it as a ratio as 2y plus 2 upon 7y plus 2. So, we write here 2y plus 2 upon 7y plus 2 is equal to the ratio they have given, which is 1:3. So I write here is equal to 1/3. Now it is reduced to a form which is same as the previous question where we cross multiply. So we write 3 bracket 2y plus 2 is equal to 1 bracket 7y plus 2. Now 1 multiplied with anything will be the same number. So we don't have to write this. In the next step onwards, we'll write 7y plus 2 as it is. This we will multiply 3 into 2y, that is 6y. 3 into 2, that is 6. I said here we don't have to put the bracket, we just write 7y plus 2. Now again we do the same thing as we did in the previous question. We look at the coefficients of y here. Here it is 7, here it is 6. 7 is greater than 6. So bringing 6y to the other side, 7y minus 6y. Here I have 6. Bring 2 to the other side, 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 is equal to 7y minus 6y, which is y. Therefore, y is equal to 4. Now what is the question here? Last they have asked, what is Rehana's present age? Rehana's present age was 2y according to our question. Therefore, the present age of Rehana is, we'll write here 2y and 2 into y here was 4. So 2 into 4, which is 8 years. Now here it was already written as x, assuming that the variable which I had taken was x. But since we have taken it as y, you will see that we write here 2y. 2 into 4, which is 8 years, and this is Rehna's present age.